Paano i-avail ang 2 months grace period ni Pag-ibig MPL payments? Answer, simple lang po, friends. Ito po yung gawin nyo. Number one, hingi kayo ng printout ng Pag-ibig MPL ninyo na approved loan. Number two, ibigay niyo po sa HR ninyo or payroll in charge para alam nila kung ano yung loan term ninyo, 2 years to pay ba, 3 years to pay, and kailan mag-start ang payment. Kasi po may grace period po na 2 months ang Pag-ibig MPL payments. For example, nag-loan kayo ngayon, May 2025. So approved po siya. Ang start ng payment po is 2 months after pa po, which is June, July, August pa po dapat mag-deduct ang employer ninyo. Kasi yung 2 months po na June and July, wala pong payment yan dapat. Kung mag-avail kayo ng grace period, i-inform nyo na po yung payroll in charge and HR ninyo na yan po ang loan term, may grace period, and be mindful sa monthly amortization po ninyo. Kasi bago na po yung monthly amort ninyo, kasi nag-renew kayo ng loan, right? So again, 2 months grace period, coordinate kayo sa HR and admin, and before that, hingi kayo ng printout ni Pag-ibig. Ayan po. Good luck, God bless, and thank you for watching this video. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.